in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located along a line extending from near Hebron to McHenry, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Round Lake Beach, McHenry, Round Lake, Fox Lake, Lake Villa, Johnsburg, Lake Lure, Twin Lakes, Spring Grove, and Long Lake around 7:45 p.m. Grave Lake, Antioch, Lindenhurst, Venetian Village, Lake Catherine, and Third Lake around 7:50 p.m. Gurnee and Brentwood Park around 7:55 p.m. Waukegan and Wadsworth around 8 p.m. Zion, Beach Park, and Winter Harbor around 8:05 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm